Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on TalkBack's menus option to repeat last spoken phrase in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. Where to look for TalkBack's options? First of all, we need to go to Settings. Then in Settings we are looking for Accessibility Options menu, then TalkBack, next Settings, and here we have our Customize Menus option. Next we need to go to Customize TalkBack menu, and here we are looking for our option. And here it is, repeat last spoken phrase. Here's the last phrase that TalkBack said again. So we can turn it on right here. It's a simple checkbox, there are no other options here. And now this option is now turned on. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.